Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the sticker onto a new track and selecting it. That gives you access to background tools. Once selected, choose Remove Background if visible. If not, open the Effects or Edit Mask menu. Make sure to zoom in and switch to a high contrast preview so you can see edges clearly. Then apply the automatic removal to get a quick base. You want a clean baseline before refining because the automatic pass often leaves small halos and stray pixels. Next, refine the result with the Erase and Restore brushes to remove leftover background and recover lost sticker detail. Use a small brush for tight curves and increase size for broad areas. Change opacity to soften transitions. If edges look hard, apply a 3 to 8 pixel feather to blend the sticker into the scene. For complicated shapes, place a mask and switch to freehand mode to trace exact contours. Keep toggling preview on and off to compare against the original while you work. To finish, export the sticker as a PNG with transparency or position it directly onto your project timeline and render. Once done, scrub the timeline to spot halos or jagged edges. Correct any color fringing with a slight brightness or saturation tweak, then re-export. If small artifacts remain, reopen the sticker, zoom to 100% and carefully redo the mask or erase pass. Precision at full zoom fixes nearly all issues. Remember, patience and small strokes give the cleanest, professional result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.